So let's do something non-trivial and different from what we did last time. So this time we have about 30 to 40 minutes, and we are going to solve one task that you may have no experience like earlier, okay? Mm-hmm. So the task is like this. Let's say you work in a company and every day you got a lot of resume or a CV from candidates. So you're working in the HR department somehow. You need to write a program to extract all the links or the hyperlinks in those PDF files. Let's assume the resumes, they come in PDF files. For example, they may come as LinkedIn links, the GitHub links, their project links, so something like that. Also, their Gmail links, email links, for example. So I'm not sure whether you have experience to work with PDF earlier. If no, that's awesome. So you will start from Googling and let's do this. Okay, good. So you can take your own resume as a sample file. It's good because everyone who sees this video will be able to see your resume again and again. So you get more like a visibility, you know. Okay.
Sounds
all
good.
Right. Feel free to share your screen anytime, and we will start from there. And remember to keep talking, so I can catch up with your thought.
Okay. Let me. Where am I? Okay, am I sharing?
Yes, good.
Okay. All right, PDF text extraction. Yeah, you picked a good one because I have zero experience in that, other than the fact that I did share that one story with you that I do have firsthand experience with wanting to develop a solution for that back when I was in the Navy. Mm-hmm. So let me think. What do I need to do that? You see Python, OCR, PDF. PDF2, okay.
So we may not need OCR. Let's assume like there are no image. So everything is basically text file. So the idea should be hyperlink. So we need to extract all links in PDF.
I needed something a little more high level than diving directly into communication.
Yeah.
Okay, so PyPDF2 says right here, extracting information, like title, author. Sounds like that would be what we're looking for. Sorry for the background noise.
That's okay. Mm-hmm. Looks like you can get some metadata. Have several options.
So I just realized that I didn't start off with maybe taking a step back, and I'm going to actually do that right now. So no experience with this particular challenge, and we have a limited amount of time. So what I'm going to do is, what I did first was think about the steps that I would need to do that particular task. Mm-hmm. Obviously, I'm not going to write my own program to do that. I know that there's probably commercial options out there. The Google Vision API is one. and that's probably a great option, but you would need to pay for that. So I'm going to go with an open source solution. If I was going to build this for a particular company and actually productionize it, I'd want to start with open source libraries.
Yeah,
that's why I went into Google to try and see what was out there, and it looks like there's several options.
yes.
One of them was this PyPDF2 library.
Mm-hmm.
The first thing I wanted to do when I looked at that was like, okay, so it works with PDFs, but what exactly does it do? And right at the very beginning, it said information extraction, which is what we're trying to do.
Well, yes, yeah.
Case.
Yeah. So you are hired, so they don't need to pay for Google or Adobe.
Yeah. Yep. So now that I know that PyPDF2 can do that, now the question is, okay, well, what do I need to do to actually use it to do that, do that information extraction? Mm-hmm. So that would be the first step, is figuring out how it works, and then doing a quick prototype, just to see if I can actually get it to work on my particular resume. Once I know that it can do that, then I'd want to move into the more production phase of setting up certain statements to grab certain information only at certain points based off of certain checkpoints. Yeah. And then eventually writing an API and deploying it to the cloud or something like that. Yeah. So obviously we're not going to get to that step on our short interview, but that's my overall.
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So PyPDF2, how does it work? So it looks like he's got this reader. Huh. I'm going to check one more source.
Mm-hmm.
For those who don't know, Real Python I found to be a really good resource for Python, related subjects. This I think it's funny here. This right here, how you concatenate two dictionaries together.
Yeah.
I saw that here. I actually used that on one of my Galvanize answers, and the feedback I got was, don't use that because no one knows what that is. It's unreadable.
Yeah. It's a more like a syntactic sugar of dictionary updates. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so right here it says how to extract document information from a PDF. Except I don't know if this is going to allow us to grab hyperlinks.
So where is the hyperlinks? It should be somewhere in the text, not in the author or creator. So how about you just copy one part of the script and just write, see what the output looks like.
Okay. Because this looks like metadata.
Yeah, this is more like metadata.
All right, let me get a Jupyter notebook going.
Yeah. First, make sure like this program runs on your computer. Then we can figure out what fields will be useful for the hyperlink extraction.
Okay. Actually going to share my command line.
Mm-hmm.
Where am I? Let me go into Let's do it here. Is this big enough?
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay. Okay. So I got that. And I already installed PyPDF. So I need to know where my resume is.
Yes. You can copy a resume into this directory you want, if you want.
Okay.
I mean, you can always do it in Finder. You don't need necessarily do it in, yeah.
Just wanted to make sure I knew where I was. And then I think my I don't see it there. Hold on a second. Oh, that's an alias. Shoot, a little technical difficulty here.
That's fine. You can always do it in Finder. It's more visual for such tasks. Don't need to stay in terminal to do this task.
Yeah. Where do I have it? So I'm looking at it right now on another screen.
Okay.
Ah. There it is. Okay. Sorry about that.
That's fine. It's every day. Yeah.
Okay. So it should be there.
Okay.
And let's give it a go. So it did it. It pulled it up.
You see, those are the metadata. So it looks like you use Word to create it, then convert it to PDF.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, so we know PyPDF works on my computer, but
yeah, it's a good step.
Now I need to figure out how it's going to actually extract a link off the actual document itself.
Okay. Do you see, I see a sentence which may be useful. So you see, while PyPDF2 has .extracted text, it can be used on its page objects. So some PDFs will return text and some will return empty string. So we can try that. Use the extract text function or method to see whether it works on your resume, this specific PDF file.
Okay, we'll give that a shot. And then if not, we'll have to go over to PDF Miner, which it mentions there.
So you need to find out the page object.
PDF. What was the name of that? Extract text. Okay.
No, that's not the page object. So you need to first maybe not read it in the function, but read it in a with statement directly. So you can work with this PDF object directly. This is in a function, so you cannot access the PDF directly. Yeah. It's just a copy.
Yeah, okay. So I'm assuming it is the PDF file reader.
Yeah.
We're using. Why is it not pulling up? Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay. So PDF dot, what was the text?
So you need to get the page object. So how do you get all the pages? Which function looks like get pages?
So there's pages here.
Yeah. Also get page. And give it a try. Page number. So how many pages? That has 2 pages. So you can try to get to the first page if you want. Yeah, this will give you the first page. Looks like no. So let me see, page number.
Pages begin at 0.
Yeah, let's try 0.
Yeah, I already tried that.
We need to debug this. How about you put everything in the with statement? Because when with statement will automatically close the file when you exit the yes. But you need to, that's not PDF. Now you have the page, like page 1.
Do you think this might work? That
may work.
Let's see. Seek of.
So the issue is that this is, it looks like it's not working as if this file is already always open. So you need to put everything in the with statement to get it working, or you open the file like without closing it. So remove the with statement, set F equal to open something. So then unless you explicitly close it, the file will keep open, you know.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm actually going to close that.
Yeah, F equal to open path. Yeah. Remove this part, yes. Then you should be good.
Should I keep this here or do
you can. So if you use get page 0, then your variable name cannot be PDF because that's not the full PDF. That's only the first page. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And let's just say that.
1 second and to stop my cat from eating something.
Okay. Well, look, it pulled something in.
Sorry about that. Good, good. I see you get a lot of information.
Yeah.
So this is page 1.
So this, knowing what I know about my resume, this looks like it's pulling in the, I guess like the metadata about how it's written.
Yeah.
Like Garamond, yeah, all of my fonts are in Garamond, and then the jobs are highlighted in bold. So
yeah,
it's pulling that. But it doesn't look like it's pulling in any text, which is what we're after.
So you have to see whether there are other methods you can call. Did you run this recommended extract text?
For good practice, should we do f.close for this?
If you close your page object, won't work. So you can keep it open while you work. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What other methods do we have here?
No, you haven't. So if you check the tutorial, the method is called extract text. You haven't tried that. Try it on the page object.
Oh.
Right? Yeah. Let's try. Because your original plan is to try this, and if it doesn't work, we go to PDF Miner, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, right. Terrible.
Yeah, it gets something, but it looks like it doesn't make sense.
Not human readable.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, they had mentioned PDF Miner in here.
Yeah, let's try it. So it's no longer actively maintained. It looks like it's used as a command line. Command line tool.
I'm just reading through to see if this would actually work for what we're looking to do. One way of knowing that, extract text from PDF with PDF Miner. Okay.
Yeah, let's try this.
Let's try this. What do I need? PDF Miner 6?
Yes. Sorry, my cat just walks on my desktop, laptop.
Boom, it's in. Okay. And then back to where we were. Extract text. Okay.
Yeah, if you want to work with another library, you can close the one you opened with PyPDF now, the f.close.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so what do I need to import for this to work? Wait, not that. Import PDF miner. Okay. Okay.
Okay. I believe the home page has an example. So if you click this, yeah,
This one right.
Go to its homepage, because not here. So the first link you open PDF Miner from Google, it looks like that's the one with a complete. So you search extract text with PDF Miner, you know, the one. Right. Yeah, that one looks like yeah, this one. Nope, you just passed.
Was it not this one?
This one, yes. You see, this is one like print output string, get value. This looks like extract all the text, right? Yeah, just copy everything, try to understand its meaning, then print it out. So it's fine, you copy it as a first step, but when you put it in work, you have to make sure you understand every line of the code, essentially.
Right.
Yeah. Right.
Text converter params with open.
I think it's path. It already has, the name is path.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, let's try it.
Parser, because PDF parser and file, doc, PDF document, resource manager, text converter, page and PDF page, create page. See what happens.
Good. Is it good? I think it's good.
Yeah. Oh, that is so interesting. Look at that. So this is, check this out. So I forgot I had done this, but I put in the headings all of the keywords: efficiencies, takes initiative, leadership, coach. I forgot I did this.
Yeah.
You can't, but I did it in white. So you can't, the human can't see
Can't
it.
see it.
There it is.
Yeah. The machine doesn't lie.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, good.
Okay, so yeah, it pulled it in. That did a lot better than the other one.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Let's extract all the links. It looks like it doesn't have a, how to say, has a format for the hyperlinks. So no. You may need to define. So how do you do? Let's say this is it. We are going to do with PDF Miner, and we have reached this step. What decisions would you make to extract the links?
Well, there's two ways I would look at that. So in the actual PDF itself, there are hyperlinks embedded. So I know that because I've put them in there. So I've got to think that when this program reads that in, that it's taking that type of metadata, and I've got to think that it's in there somewhere. So if I just took some more time to read through the documentation to find out how to pull out links, I'm sure there's a method that would allow me to do that. So I think that would be the very first approach that I would go with. If for some reason it didn't have that on the GitHub page, it said it wasn't maintained. So it might not have that particular method in there. Is I'd have to do the, the regex way, where I'd have to find something like this, americanthinker.github.io. So anything .io, .us, .com, .org, or whatever, I would pull those out just by doing a search over across the entire text. What I know it would miss, though, is things like these. So I know that a few of my projects are actually hyperlinked, but you can't tell that just by looking at this here. So that's why, which leads me to think that there's some type of metadata in the actual object that would, that I could pull out and pull those type of.
I think if we have time, but we won't go to that direction. The output string, you see when you run the get value method, you get this string. So I think there must be some internal structure of this output underscore string object. So that may be something we can do. But for the mock interview purpose, let's say we only care about two cases: their GitHub link or their LinkedIn link. So let's write Redux to extract everything with github.io, and every other link starts with LinkedIn.
Okay.
Okay. So this is one example. The LinkedIn link is another example.
So what I do whenever I want to write regexes is I go to regex 101.
Perfect.
I go to Python and I hack away until I get it.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
So that one, and then we want.
You can do it separately.
Okay.
It may be tricky if you want to do simultaneously and messy, hard to read. So let's do the GitHub one first, then do the LinkedIn one.
Okay. So we need all characters, as many as possible.
So I have a quick suggestion, Chris.
Yeah.
You may need to copy more than this link itself, because when you actually read it, the link, the americanthinker.github.io, will be in a long string. So you may need to copy one more than the actual string you want. So for example, this now it starts at the beginning, but in the actual text, it doesn't start at the beginning, right? You start in the middle. So you can copy, yes, this whole line up to the end, everything here, then paste it. So it's more simulating the real case, right?
Yep.
Yeah, let's do this.
Okay, so we want everything. I think it's closed brackets. Yeah, so A through Z or Z, A through Z. Okay, good. So it grabs everything. And then we want a dot, which I think is that. And then we want, so to match an exact phrase, do you know if we just put that around brackets?
You can basically type it.
Or just type it straight?
Yeah, I can just type it directly.
Okay, so all GitHub's end in github.io.
Yeah.
So there it is.
Yeah, but the dot has an issue. So if you don't escape it, the dot stands for any character, right? Also the first dot. So the dot before, in front of GitHub.
Oh, a single character. Any single character, yeah, okay.
Okay. So why do you need the second bracket, the second pair?
I guess I don't.
Yeah, you don't care what, you don't want to extract it. Yeah. Okay, good. So there is another tiny mistake here in your first square bracket. What is it?
So all, oh, we need, you know what? I guess we could do any single character because there could be numbers.
Yes, it could be numbers. Also, the second Z should be uppercase, right?
Oh,
if
yeah.
you want to do the word one, yeah.
So actually, let me just change this. Oh, that didn't work. And then how do I do any number?
It's a W. Is W the one you're looking for? /W. So the lowercase w and the uppercase W stand for the opposite thing. So make sure you're using the correct one.
Oh yeah, any word character equal to
Yeah.
A through 0.
And now you don't need the A to Z and the upper A to Z. Yeah. Good, good.
Okay, so I'm going to grab this.
Yeah. So we can definitely improve it to handle more edge cases, but I think for the purpose of this exercise, I think this one should be good enough. Yeah.
Oh. I'm going to comment this out for now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what was that? That was GitHub. We'll say it's this, or yeah, GitHub pattern.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
And now we need LinkedIn.
LinkedIn pattern. So LinkedIn is already in Regex 101. Yeah, I already have it.
Okay. This one might actually be easier. So it'll be linkedin.com. And then we want, actually, let me check. Other people's to see
whether they agree.
So mine says linkedin.com.in.
Yeah.
Kristen Allison, who I don't know. Same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Tucker Dietrich.
Yeah, it should be the same thing.
Chief of Staff. Same thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm going to grab that.
Yeah, it looks like dash is also a legal character here.
To see if it'll pick that up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, because, so that actually, oh no, because we don't need the WWOE part. So that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's fine because you can guess likely the downstream task is we are only interested in the actual LinkedIn username. So the part at the end for yours is accident. Accidents is a habit. For Mark, it's Mark dash list something. So yeah, we really don't care about the everything in front of it, but the username, right?
So W grabs all of that.
W doesn't grab dash. So that's an issue. We need to fix this. It's a very good exercise, actually. So you go to LinkedIn and find out some cases that your example may not capture.
Any non-word. Okay, that doesn't work.
It doesn't work. Yeah. So how about you expand the W, the lowercase w, with its full meaning, basically A to Z, upper A to upper Z, 0 to 9, then underscore. Then you put dash there, see whether dash is captured. So in the explanation, you can see the expanded W, what W stands for.
You're saying write it like this?
Yeah. just write it explicitly. Yeah. Z 0 to 9, then underscore, then dash. Yeah. Yeah, it works, right?
Yeah. I wonder if I can put in it'll allow me to do that. No, it won't.
It's tricky because that would mean any character, including the /. So / can basically appear anywhere. So that may not be the ideal case you want.
Let me see if I can grab a few of these.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure / won't be a legal character in a name because that will disrupt basically the pattern of the URL.
I picked that one up. You see if I take this out. Yeah,
it should still work. Yeah.
So that's probably a 80% solution.
Yeah, I think we're good to go.
I'm going to comment that out again.
Good. The GitHub one doesn't run. You need to run that one. The GitHub cell.
The GitHub one, what?
Yeah, you need to run it. Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay.
Okay, before I forget.
Yes.
And let me just test this out real quick.
Mm-hmm.
This line, let's grab that there. Boom. So test equals that.
Okay.
All right. And then the regex library, I can never remember which one does what.
Maybe something find all. Yeah.
Is it find all?
Yeah, we need to find all. Yeah.
Okay.
And check the, yeah.
So the pattern
string.
Let's grab the GitHub one.
Mm-hmm.
And the test. Okay, cool.
Good. Nice.
Yeah. All right, so now this output string, we got to put it in a variable. So we'll just say, hey, it's resume.
Yeah.
Output string dot get value.
Okay.
And then oh, you know what? We could do, we'll just see if this works.
Basically create a list of patterns that you can loop through the patterns. Although we only have 2, but it's more, easy to extend.
GitHub, LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we're going to do basically just call that for each
pattern
on the text. So I'm going to do re find all test for patterns. There it is.
Good.
A list of lists.
Yes, but that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, good. It means you only have one GitHub link and one LinkedIn link. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. I think that's pretty good given the time limitation.
So I like this one better because it just gives you don't have to dig into it. It just gives you exactly what you're looking for in the text.
What if there are 2 GitHub links? So you will basically throw one away, or you only keep the first one, right? So yeah, I think the old one actually is fine. Yeah, if you only extract the first one, maybe there are project links.
Oh, I see what you're saying, because the find all method finds all
everything.
of them.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Do
So
that.
keep the data raw. So in the future, if you want to do something different, you will still have all of them. Like the raw data is always the most tasty, you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
And
awesome.
I think the next level would be creating or doing the automatic web link opener. So it pulls in those LinkedIn profiles and opens them up in your browser, so you don't have to go through and like click through them. Like if you were a recruiter.
Yeah. You can see their projects, their resume, their GitHub directly without even opening their resume.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, that's what I expected, and it works. Yeah.
Well, thank you. That was actually kind of fun.
Yeah.